everybody, welcome to Math Made Easy by Planet Spark. All my 10th graders, we are starting with the first chapter here. Okay, and the topic that we have today is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Mainly prime factorization की हम बात करेंगे. So let's get started everybody. Now what does the theorem say? Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. It says every composite number can be expressed, or we can say can be factorized as a product of primes. और इस factorization की खासियत क्या है? This factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Let's understand with the help of an example. Okay, let's say we have a number 60. Okay, prime factorization इसकी हम करते हैं, right? So how can we write it? 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Right. So we have got the factors as 2, 2, 3 and 5. अब इन्हीं को I can write in this order 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, or I can write in this order 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. Right? Order कुछ भी हो, this prime factorization is unique. That means दो factor होंगे which are 2. 1 time 3 is there and 1 time 5 is there. ये जो primes का combination है, that is unique. Order कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? So that is what the theorem says. कोई भी composite number है हमारे पास, we can write it in the form of product of primes there. This factorization is unique. Order change हो सकता है. Clear everybody? Let's move forward then. Okay, now every composite number can be written as a product of prime numbers, right everybody? 60 का हमने example लिया अभी, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, right? यहाँ से using prime factorization we can find the HCF as well as the LCM. What are these? Let's understand. यहाँ पे भी बहुत बार confusion होती है. Very basic thing. Okay, HCF is what? Highest common factor, or we can say we can find it as product of smallest powers of each common prime factor in the number. LCM is what? Least common multiple. और prime factorization से कैसे find out करेंगे? Product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. Let's take an example. Let's say एक number है हमारे पास 60 ले लेते हैं, right? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, another number, let's take 50. So 5 into 2 into 5. Okay, common factors हम ले लेंगे. 2 is common, 5 is common, right? Now, how to find the HCF? Product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. Common prime factor है 2 और 5. और least power क्या है? यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें, so we have 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1. यहाँ पे 2 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 2. So for the highest common factor HCF हम common factors लेंगे. Common factor है 2, common factor है 5, और लेंगे उनकी least power. यहाँ पे power है 2, यहाँ power है 1. So least क्या है? 1. So 1 power. Then for 5 the power is 2, the power is 1. Which one is the least one? 1. So 5 into 2, that is 10, becomes the HCF of these two numbers. Now let's talk about LCM. LCM में क्या करेंगे? Product of the greatest power of each prime factor. अब यहाँ पे common prime factor नहीं है. Each prime factor will take with its greatest power. So क्या क्या prime numbers हैं हमारे पास? यहाँ पे 2 है, 3 है, 5 है, right? These three are there, distinct primes की अगर हम बात करें. So 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there. What is the maximum power of 2 here everybody? 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. 2 is the maximum power, so we take that. For 3, 1 is the maximum power. For 5, again 2 is the maximum power. So we have got our LCM here. 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 2, 10, right? So 300. 3 into 10 into 10. 300 is the LCM, or least common multiple of the given two numbers, right? This is how we find it using prime factorization. Okay, so don't get confused. याद रखना HCF में क्या लेते हैं हम? Common factors और उनकी least power. LCM में क्या लेते हैं? सारे prime factors और उनकी greatest powers there. Clear everybody? चलिए then. Next one. Now there are different techniques to perform the prime factorization. Okay, जो भी click करे, you can use any of the method here, right? First one is division method, that is repeatedly divide करेंगे number को by the smallest possible prime number. Okay, let's say we have a number 75. 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है? नहीं. 3 से हो रहा है? हाँ जी, कर देंगे. 3 से डिवाइड करो. Then what we get? Again divide it again with the least possible number. अब next 5 से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो 5 से करेंगे. Again 5 से हो रहा है, 5 से करेंगे, and that's how we get it, right? So let's do it. 3 5s are 15. Okay, then we have got 25. So now we can divide by 5. Right, so we have got 5 into 5 into 3 there. Right, simple division जैसे हम करते हैं, long division there. Second is factor tree method, right? That is break the number into 2 factors at a time and continue splitting until only prime numbers remain. क्या करना है देखो, again same number we are taking 75. 2 में break करो इसे and keep breaking it till we reach only primes there. Prime के बाद further division possible नहीं होगा, right? So 75 can be written as 3 into 25. यहाँ prime आ गया, so इस branch को हम यहीं छोड़ देंगे. Here we have a composite number, we can divide further, so let's do that. 25 can be written as 5 into 5. Again split करेंगे. Again we have got primes, so we leave it here. So सारे primes को collect करेंगे and that is the prime factorization. Okay, last method, ladder method and the most used method. Okay, ज़्यादातर यही हम यूज़ करते हैं because it's easy. क्या करेंगे? Vertical arrangement of prime करेंगे again by division. Okay, so let's see. एक ladder draw करेंगे. The number is 75. Divide by 3, we get 25. Divide by 5, 5 5s are 25. Again by 5, 5 1s are 5. So we keep dividing until we reach 1 here. And these all, the product of these primes gives us the prime factorization. Okay, तीनों methods आसान हैं everybody. You can use any of them. Mostly हम ladder method use करेंगे. Okay. चलिए जी. Now is the time to solve the questions. So let's get started. Perform the prime factorization of 180 using any 2 different methods. ठीक है जी. 2 method use करते हैं. First of all, the ladder method. 180. Start by dividing the least prime possible there. Okay, 2 से divisible है? Yes, so let's do that. 2 into 9, again on 2, 45. Now we can divide on 3, 15. Now we can again divide on 3, 5, and then we can divide on 5. 5 ones are 5. We reach 1 here, so what is the prime factorization? We can say, we can write 180 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Let's look at the second method then. So second method is, let's say the tree method we are using. So we have 180, split करेंगे इसे 2 में, right? Prime से ही divide करेंगे, so we can write it as 2 into 90. यहाँ prime आ गया, so 90 को again 2 parts में करेंगे, 2 into 45. 45 को again 2 parts में divide कर देंगे, right? 45 is a product of 3 and 15. यहाँ prime आ गया, again 5 into 3. Again we have got primes here. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 3 is the prime factorization. So using both the methods, we have done the factorization, everybody. Chaliye, next question. Given that HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, find their LCM. Okay, very important result we are going to use here, everybody. Remember this. दो numbers का अगर LCM और HCF हमारे पास है, then this relationship holds true. Product of numbers is equal to product of LCM and HCF. Okay, दो numbers क्या हैं हमारे पास? 306 into 657. That is equal to the LCM of these numbers into HCF of these numbers. So let's see what is given to us. The HCF is given. क्या given है? 9. LCM हमें find out करना है. So from here we can find the LCM. LCM is given by 306 into 657 divided by 9. Right? जब दोनों numbers given हैं और उनका LCM में HCF given है and we have to find the other one, always use this relation. Okay, you can easily do the calculations, everybody, and you'll get, I guess, 2, 2, 3, 3, 8, I guess, as the answer. Okay, just verify it and tell me in the comments, everybody, what you all are getting as the answer. Okay, chaliye ji. Next one. Perform the prime factorization of 98 using division method. क्या करेंगे? बार बार divide करते रहेंगे, right? So let's do that. Let's divide by 2. So we are left with 49. अब 49 को divide करेंगे 2 से होता है? No. 3, 4, not 4. Just the primes we are checking. Then 5, no. 7, yes. 7 into 7, 49, and the remainder is 0. So क्या है prime factorization? 2 into 7 into 7. That is for 98. Okay. Next one. Complete the prime factorization. Okay, 108 का prime factorization हमें complete करना है. So let's do the prime factorization. Any method, ladder method use करते हैं. Okay, so we can divide by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again on 2, 27, then we can divide on 3. Right, 9 again on 3 and again on 3, and we have 1 here. So how can we write it? 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3, that is equal to 108. अब यहाँ पे क्या given है? 2 to the power 2 is given and 3 is given. So what is left? 2 times 3, we are going to get there. So you can write 3 square here, and the prime factorization is completed. Okay, next one, everybody. Verify whether the given factorization is correct. So करते हैं 82 की factorization and let's verify सही given है या नहीं. So we can start dividing by the least prime there, 2 and 1. Right. Then on 3, no, it's not divisible. Right. Further, with 41 only it's divisible. Right. कोई factor नहीं है हमारे पास. 41 itself is a prime. Right, everybody? So we can say here the prime factorization is 2 into 41. Is this the correct one? No. The answer is no. Okay, let's move further. A student says the prime factorization of 450 is 2 into 3 square into 5 square. Let's check if the student's claim is correct. तो factorize करके check कर लेते हैं, right? So let's divide it by 2 or 5, right? You can start with any of them, or 3. Let's say we are starting with 3. That would be easier. Okay. 150. Again we can divide on 3. Then we can divide on 5. And lastly on 2. You can start with 2, you can start with 5, absolutely fine, right? Order कुछ भी हो सकता है, prime factors वही रहेंगे. Okay, remember the theorem. So we have got 450 as 2 is there once, 3 square and 5 square. Let's see the claim. 2 into 3 square, 5 square. So yes, the claim is absolutely correct. Okay. If incorrect, identify the error and write the correct prime factorization. चलिए, ये तो सवाल ही नहीं है. It is correct. So we can say that is the right answer. Okay. Next one. Okay. Very good question, everybody. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Right. Suppose they both start at the same time, they go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? क्या हो रहा है समझो. Let's say we have a circular track here. This is the starting point. Sonia and Ravi both are starting together. Sonia एक round complete कर रही है 18 minutes में and Ravi is completing a round in 12 minutes. The question is, कितनी देर के बाद they will again meet here at the starting point. So what is happening? 18 minutes, right? Sonia will be back here after 18 minutes. Again 18 minutes, 18 minutes. So multiple of 18s, right? Then Ravi will be here after 12 minutes, again after 12 minutes and so on. So multiple of 12s. Common ढूंढना है हमें वो point जब दोनों यहाँ होंगे. That means the common multiple of 18 and 12 we are looking for here. Common multiple, that means HCF or LCM. What do we have to find, everybody? बहुत मिस्टेक होती है यहाँ पे इफ द कंफ्यूजन इज देयर बिटवीन HCF एंड LCM, राइट। मल्टीपल ढूंढ रहे हैं हम, लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल। जब इन नंबर से एक बड़ा नंबर हम ढूंढ रहे हो, दैट इज अ मल्टीपल, सो वी यूज LCM, लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल। जब इनसे एक छोटा नंबर हम ढूंढ रहे हो, लेट्स से वी हैव टू डिवाइड देम इनटू ग्रुप्स, something like that, okay, then we find the factor there, छोटा number, highest common factor, okay, so इनका LCM हम find out करेंगे, LCM of 18 and 12, right। उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, दोनों का prime factorization हमें चाहिए, so let's do that, 12 and 18, 3 ones are 3, right? So what do we see common here? 2 is common, 3 is common, right? Okay then. So 2 and 3 are there. उनकी highest power हम लेंगे. 2 की highest power यहाँ 2 है, 3 की highest power यहाँ पे 2 है. Okay. So 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. 36. Right? If you see there, 12 की टेबल में 36 है. Yes, 36 is a multiple of 12 and 36 is a multiple of 18 as well. Right? So 2 rounds के बाद जब सोनिया यहाँ होगी and 3 rounds के बाद रवि यहाँ होगा, then they will meet here again at the starting point. Right? 36 minutes mean Sonia would have completed, yes, let's write here 2 rounds. And Ravi would have completed 3 rounds. So after these many rounds, or we can say after 36 minutes, they will again meet at the starting point. So in these type of questions, be very careful everybody, क्या पूछा है, multiple or factor. Then just find HCF or LCM accordingly. Okay. चलिए जी. With that, let's summarize what we have learnt here today. We understood the fundamental theorem of arithmetic everybody. That gives us the prime factorization, जो कि for composite numbers unique होगी. Order अलग हो सकता है for the prime factors, right? So every composite number we can write as a product of prime numbers. Theorem says every composite number can be written as a product of primes, and that is a unique except for the order of the factors. Example हमने देखा, right? Why is this important everybody? This uniqueness helps in simplifying, comparing and verifying a lot of things there in number theory, right? Also factorization helps us in finding the HCF and LCM easily, right? बहुत बड़े numbers हैं अगर हमारे पास, then with factorization easily we can find the HCF and the LCM. अब factorization के क्या methods हैं? 3 methods we have learnt here: division, factor and ladder. Ladder method is the one that we most commonly use there. Okay. Then different application problems we did there, for example the circle one, right? So try more questions from your book everybody and let me know in the comments if you are able to do all of them. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.